2008 BMW Z4. Good looking car, 3.0 liter. Let me show you guys what we've done. Everything up here is factory. Double cats, factory. Resonator, factory. Piping. And then we did a custom muffler delete. Dual tip muffler delete right there. We added a custom hanger on it on this side to make sure it fits. So it's nice and solid, as you guys can see. And then we put a dual tip out the back. 2 individual ones. Clean it up. Look at them welds. My boy Jared hooked it up really nicely. And Schnuda hooked up the bending all nice and clean. Custom to the max. I love it. I love our crew. Anyways, there you go. Z4, ready to sound fantastic. And there's the muffler in the bag. He's going to take it home that we cut off. It's a dual in also, dual out. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to start it up and let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. So you guys know it's going to sound good because it's 6 speeds manual too. Here's the idle on it. All right, give it gas. It's good. It's a good start. Until you want to do something else, maybe the resonator, take that out and put an X5 or high flow cats.
I was gonna get a full cat bag on it.
Yeah.
Man, they're expensive.
They're expensive, yeah. Again? It's clean. Again? Here's sound decibel, and it's right at 103. And it's quiet at idle, so it's not crazy loud. One more. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we're located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West. In beautiful Nashville, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. Give us a call, guys, if you have any questions or concerns. Look at that white stance on this thing. It's fat. I like it. I like those wheels on it too. They're clean. Give it a different look. Z4 3.0. B52, I think. M52. Let you guys hear on the inside. Does it have the button for the trunk? No, it's on the key. Here we go, BMW Z4. 3.0 with a muffler delete. That's perfect. Oh yeah, that's clean. Enjoy, guys. Hey.